Hi folks, Lee Covington, President and CEO with Senior Services, here to bring you an exciting update on the construction of our new Intergenerational Center for Arts and Wellness. As you can see behind me, we've got the concrete truck here today. We've got this huge and amazing machine that's pumping concrete now to establish the south and southeast wall, which will be one of the exterior walls for our new Williams Adult Day Center site. We've got underground plumbing and electrical that's going in, and sewer and sanitary systems. So we're making great progress on construction of our new 62,000 square foot Intergenerational Center for Arts and Wellness.